Hi everyone, this is me Jasneet Kaur. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Before starting with today's content, don't forget to like, share and press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will do the revision of chapter 5th, that is Fabric Around Us. We will take a look on what all topics we have covered in this chapter. Like, in the beginning of this chapter, we have understood the basics of fabrics, like where all we use it and in what forms we use it. After understanding its usage, we have covered the meaning of fiber, in which we have understood that it is the smallest unit of cloth construction. The process of making fabric begins at fiber stage, then it moves to yarn, and from those yarns we make cloth. Later, from that cloth, apparels are constructed. After its meaning, we have discussed about classification of fibers, in which we divided fibers into two categories on the basis of length and on the basis of origin. On the basis of length, we divided fibers into staple fiber and filament fiber. Filament fibers are further divided into two categories, monofilament and multifilament fibers. Classification of fibers on the basis of origin was categorized in natural fiber, man-made fiber and blended fiber. To know more about these topics, do check out the description box below, as I have mentioned links of all 5 parts of this chapter. Moving ahead, after the classification of fibers, we have discussed about properties of some of the important fibers like cotton, silk, elastomeric fibers, linen, nylon, acrylic, wool, rayon and polyester. We have also discussed the difference between natural fibers and man-made fibers, as well as about blended fibers. In the later part of this chapter, we have talked about yarn, what it is, how it is defined, as well as about its processing. In the addition of that, we have discussed about yarn terminology. In this, we have discussed different terms used for yarns. At last, we have covered fabric production. We have discussed all techniques through which fabric is constructed, like weaving, knitting, felting, bonding, and braids and laces. It is further followed by textile finishing. In this, we have talked about the meaning of finishing as well as the purpose of doing it. So at last, talking about the learning objectives of this chapter, what all we have understood after the completion of this chapter. We have understood the different varieties in fabric, classification of fabrics, concept of yarn and fabric making, different properties of fabrics, and what all things we need to keep in our mind while selecting our clothes. I hope students, this revision video must have helped you in putting all the topics of this chapter at one place. For more in-depth understanding of any of these topics, I would recommend you to watch all the parts of this chapter. I have divided this chapter into 5 parts. You can check out the links in the description box below. For more such updates, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon with my another video. Till then, bye bye and take care.